Sometimes we might face a situation where doing the lookup is a very difficult task for us, or to apply any lookup function becomes difficult for us. One of these situations is when we have to look up a value from values in multiple columns. So as you can see over here that we have our data managed as head, subhead and amount, and we want to look up a value that is a combination of these head and subhead. So it is a complex situation and the question arises how to do VLOOKUP in such situation. One thing that we can do is we can simply add a helper tab over here and combine these two cells in each row, but there might be some situation when combining them is not possible or not good in our data sheet. So in this case what we can do is we can simply use the choose function. Now what choose function does is it chooses a value or action to perform from a list of values based on an index number. That means that it can perform an action based on the index number that we will put on it. So as you can see over here that in our data we have three columns, the head, subhead and amount, and I want to combine the first two. So what I will do is I will first give it the index number as 1 and 2, then I will simply select my value to perform an action. So what I will do is I will simply select the first one, then the second one and then the third one. Now after doing it, as I want to do some action in the first and second value, so I will remove these comma and instead I will give it an end mark. So now when I will press enter, you can see that our data is coming into the same way that we want it to be appear. So now what or how it can help us in our lookup function. So what I am doing is I will simply go to my cell in which I want to apply the VLOOKUP, type equal VLOOKUP over here, and then in the lookup value I will select my F7 which contains the AV that I want. Now after this, in order to make the table array, you can see that this is a thing that can be used as a table array. So I will apply the same thing over here. I will apply choose function, give it the index in the curly bracket as 1 and 2. Then I will select the first value, give a space and mark and the second value. So this what it will do, it will combine the first and second column and the third column as well. Now I will close this bracket so that the choose function is completed. Then I will simply put the 2 as the column index number. Now why I am applying 2 as column index number, because you can see that after choosing this or after applying this choose function we have got data in this format. So the column index number that we want is the second one as the first one is combined, and then the range lookup will be false for exact match. So when I will close bracket and press enter, you can see that I have got 1100 which is the value of A and B over here. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP with joint columns in Excel.